Today we are presenting Rocky Mountain Technical Marketing Supply Chain Integrity Solution. This solution has been designed to identify counterfeit, gray market, and substandard products from a variety of industries. It is also capable of vetting the sources of components used in manufactured products and can be used to vet suppliers' compliance with fair labor practices and environmental laws. Let's first understand the problem that is creating the opportunity for our solution, focusing on the pharmaceutical industry. According to Interpol, more than 1 million people die each year from counterfeit drugs. In some areas of Asia, Africa, and Latin America, counterfeit medical goods can form up to 30% of the market. Illegitimate drugs are a problem in the developed world as well. According to the Office of the United States Intellectual Property Enforcement Coordinator, counterfeit drugs cost U.S. businesses more than $200 billion annually and account for the loss of more than 750,000 jobs. Counterfeit drugs can also be an effective terrorist weapon. The problem of counterfeiting is not limited to pharmaceuticals. Other industries that experience huge losses from counterfeiting include brand name luxury goods, food, wine, distilled spirits, electronics, and defense. And the problems are global in each of these industries. Three drivers that make the U.S. pharmaceutical industry an exciting target. The first driver is a legal mandate. The Drug Supply Chain Security Act mandates that the U.S. industry provide a track and trace solution by 2023. Complete transaction data needs to be recorded and provided to the FDA upon request for each transaction from manufacturer through dispenser. The second driver is the pharmaceutical industry is a huge market. The law pertains to over 20,000 likely players. Among them, they generate approximately 1 billion transactions a month. The third driver is that the solution is easily extensible. The solution can be used to support compliance in other countries. This is particularly valuable to manufacturers who ship their products globally. Additionally, with limited tailoring, the same solution can be used to support firms in other industries. The solution can also be used to verify compliance with health, safety, labor, and environmental standards. This can be valuable to avoid reputational risk of using suppliers with bad track records that can impact sales. We provide a software as a service or SaaS solution that proactively ensures that no supply chain firm sells more verified product than it manufactures or purchases. In this way, we detect additions to the supply chain that emanate from illegitimate sources. These could be counterfeit, gray market, or product dilution. The SaaS model allows members of the pharmaceutical supply chain to subscribe for a fixed annual fee that makes budgeting easy. We have developed a hardened solution. We use blockchain encryption to make this log non-repudiatable. Our solution architecture prevents access to the underlying data to protect confidentiality of critical transaction data. We further secure the encrypted database to prevent anyone from accessing it directly. Data are available to members and the FDA only via predefined reports. In this way, company proprietary data is not divulged. The solution incorporates 2 patents which are pending. These patents supplement the public domain blockchain technology, providing the scalability and performance necessary to support billions of transactions per year of widely diverse physical assets. There is no current solution that solves this problem. Several firms in the industry are seeking to devise a one-up, one-down breadcrumb solution. In this solution, each firm keeps its own transaction data. This protects their confidential transaction data from being viewed by competitors of firms seeking to disintermediate them. But this approach requires the FDA to go from database to database, tracking the dispersion of a suspicious batch of drugs. This may involve separately interfacing with hundreds of different databases at different firms. All the while, the public health may be at risk. There are also several new competitors who have recognized the power of blockchain to solve this problem. Other blockchain solutions for the supply chain exist, but we've seen no evidence that they have found a way to overcome the scalability and performance issues of tracking multiple unique physical assets, as we have done with our 2 patent applications. Block Verify, for example, claims to have developed a prototype with a Swiss pharmaceutical company through a branch in the UK, but there are no details available. A company called Provenance provides a digital passport that can be linked to an individual physical asset. Various asset data can be stored in the passport. This solution is effective for tracking the provenance of an original artwork, but does not scale to billions of transactions per year. Ownership Technology started out with a supply chain solution, but pivoted to tracking intellectual property instead. Drivers of our success, our technical solution. Our solution is proactive compared with other anti-counterfeiting solutions. We can detect suspicious transactions in the transaction phase before products reach consumers. Our solution protects the confidentiality of the transaction data that drives it, the crown jewels of participating firms. Our solution can be applied to a wide range of industries. We are not dependent on a single industry for success. We have solved the scalability and performance issues of using the blockchain for unique individual physical assets versus early blockchains such as Bitcoin, which have fungible and common virtual assets. We protect unique aspects of our solution with pending patents. We are pursuing these in major markets internationally. Success, our team. We have the technical expertise to develop an effective solution. We have the proven management skills to successfully execute our business plan. Jeff Stolman, CEO, and Martin Mateve, our CTO, are the critical people in our team. But we also team with a major global partner to achieve the credibility necessary to win over our clients. We ally with industry champions to ensure that our solution reflects the unique needs of their industries. And for further information, here's how you can contact us.